lawyers, how much time should you spend on meta advertising? In other words, Facebook and Instagram.
There's 3 ways to work with us. Our agency does it all for you, coaching, and self-study courses.
Hello, law firms. Today, we're going to talk about an important topic that can be a real headache for many of you, and that's meta advertising. We understand that as a law firm, you have a lot on your plate, and having to spend time on marketing can be a real challenge. But so many potential clients are searching for legal representation on social media, and having a strong meta advertising strategy is more important than ever. In fact, an average user spends 2 hours and 31 minutes every day on social media, and that's a lot of time and attention.
So let's get into it. But first, a quick introduction.
I've produced over 10,000 law firm videos in all different styles. Having a video is easy, but having a video that reaches or surpasses your goals is not so easy. While my marketing agency does everything related to signing new clients and streamlining your practice,
where'd they find this guy?
I think that I'm best known for video production, not only from directing so many thousands of videos and building video studios in law firms, but as the marketing agency tracking the data that proves that the videos reached their goals.
And marketing, when done correctly, is a fabulous investment.
So let's jump into this subject. Meta advertising, as I call it, advertising on Facebook and Instagram, is different from posting on these platforms for free because it allows you to reach a much larger and more targeted audience. When you post for free, your reach is limited to your existing followers and their networks. But with advertising, you can target specific demographics, interests, behaviors, all of this to get your message in front of the right people. Advertising allows you to use a variety of ad formats such as image ads, video ads, carousel ads, and more, all to capture the attention of potential clients in different ways. You can also track and measure the success of your ads through analytics and data, allowing you to make informed decisions about your marketing strategy as you go along and also to help get your budget down. Overall, meta advertising is a powerful tool for law firms and businesses of all kinds to reach new audiences, build brand awareness, and drive conversions.
So, how much time and resources should you put into meta ads?
According to recent statistics, the average law firm should be dedicating about 20 to 30% of their time and budget, their marketing time and budget, to meta advertising. That might sound like a lot, but the good news is that with the right approach and the right tools, it doesn't have to be time-consuming or expensive. In fact, with our help, you can create meta advertising campaigns that bring in a steady stream of new clients while freeing up your time to focus on what you do best, providing excellent legal services. So, why not give it a try and see the results for yourself? Are you tired of struggling with your law firm's marketing with so many vendors out there who just don't understand your niche? Do you want to bring in more clients without spending all your time and money on advertising? Well, we've got great news for you today. For a limited time at GoMedia Marketing Productions, we're offering our full service meta ads package, and we're going to offer this just to 4 brand new personal injury law firms. I mean, you don't have to be a new law firm, but you'll be new to us. We'll create engaging video content, launch and tweak your campaigns, and even answer every inquiry that comes in on your behalf. This is also that you can focus on what you do best, which is practicing law. Normally, our agency fees are no less than $5,600 per month, not including your meta ads budget. But for these select few law firms, we're cutting our prices by nearly half. And this is because we believe in the power of our services and we want to help you succeed.
Think about it. How much do you spend on your receptionist or on your website? Marketing, when done correctly, is a fabulous investment and doesn't end up costing you anything.
With our team on your side, you can bring in a steady stream of brand new clients without breaking the bank or creating office space for the bunch of us. Contact us today to see if you qualify for this exclusive offer, only available to a few law firms who don't conflict with our existing client base. Let's work together to take your law firm's marketing to the next level. Call me anytime or reach out by email, Mary@GoMediaMarketing.com.